Hello everyone. Right now I am here in a cabbage field. You can see behind me the cabbage which are looking beautiful, and it's a captivating sight for the nature lover. So you can see the cabbage are growing here in a huge number, and how beautiful they are, green, and it's a majestic sight for the nature lover. You cannot ignore the beauty of this cabbage field. I love nature, and you can see the cabbage is growing. You can see the green leaves of the cabbage, just they are smiling. They are the gift of nature for the human beings. You can see this cabbage is matured. It is ready for almost ready for harvesting. How beautiful the cabbage is looking.